Zhengzhou Jinhui Agricultural S&T Company Limited was established in 2011, and Great Farm is its subsidiary brand. Our company is committed to the production and sale of livestock farming equipment, focusing on providing one-stop solutions for animal breeding farms, such as poultry farm, cattle farm, sheep farm, and pig farm. Our services include farm planning and design, construction, equipment supply, pre-installation commissioning, as well as the supply of breeding technology and feed. The equipment we provide includes 4 categories: steel processing, such as animal cages and livestock fences; automation control systems, such as automatic drinking and feeding systems; automatic environment control systems; plastic products, such as plastic drinkers and feeding buckets; plastic floors; animal artificial breeding equipment and tools, such as animal ultrasound equipment; artificial visual insemination equipment. Great Farms products meet industry standards, and we continue to improve to keep up with the latest technology. For the safety of users and third parties, we manage risks according to CE and ISO9001 2015 standards. Our rigorous quality control and outstanding market performance have gained recognition from customers worldwide, and we have established stable cooperation with customers all over the world. Customer needs are the driving force of our growth, and we are willing to provide continuous support and assistance for the success of your business. Great Farm looks forward to cooperating with you.
We can provide animal breeding equipment which meet your requirements and have established the cooperation with many customers around the world. Looking forward to working with you. Jinhui Agriculture, Modern Farm Future.